Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into some dip powder from Valkyrie Dips to create a dark tone, jewel tone mani. And the first color here, it's called Amethyst, and this right here, it's a really pretty, deep, rich purple, and it has a cooler tone to it, and it has the most beautiful shimmer. And then we're going to pair it with Tanzanite, which is another beautiful jewel tone color. So this one here, it's like a deep blue purple, and it also has a black base with the most gorgeous shimmer. You're going to see it here in action in just a few moments. We're also going to be making a set of press-ons and using dip liquids. So we're going to start off by dipping into that beautiful Tanzanite, and we're going to use that on three fingers today. We're going to do the thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky in that beautiful Tanzanite. So we're going to dip directly into the jar today. I am not going to be doing the pour over method or anything like that. These jars are perfect if you are dipping with press-ons with any shorter style nail. And check out that full coverage, gorgeous dip that we see here, and look at that shimmer. Now this color payoff with one dip completely blew my mind for a darker color. Normally when you are playing with darker dip powder colors, they do not look this vibrant, and I was super impressed. And this dip powder is amazing. It's super buttery, and it just goes on the nail like you're dipping into a cloud. So I'm completely in love with this dip powder, and I cannot wait to use these colors again. I think Tanzanite would be super pretty for like an accent nail with a paler pink and then like a silver glitter. Options are endless with Tanzanite, and staining is very minimal with this dip powder. So if you love dark colors but don't like the mess, Tanzanite is going to be your jam. So these two colors here are part of a newer collection that Valkyrie Dips created. It is called the Gemstone Collection, which consists of 6 beautiful gemstone colors. I'll link a picture right here so you know what I'm talking about. These 6 colors coordinate so well together, and Tiger Eye is that perfect brown shimmery goodness. Okay, so let's dip into this mani process. I'm not going to speed it up or anything like that. We are just going to enjoy these beautiful dips in action, and then I will pop back in at the end.
You should see the city lights tonight. I don't think they've ever burned this bright. Did you know when how everything would turn out? We learned to run, we learned to fight. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. I wanted to be saved before we lost our way. We were picture perfect, but below the surface, I wasn't okay. I made it look that way. I'm saying you deserved it. Sometimes it just happens that way. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through.
All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and how gorgeous is this mani? These gem jewel tones are perfect, and I just love the shimmer of that Tanzanite. It is stunning, and when it's outside in the sunlight, it's even more gorgeous than it is indoors. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, including everything you need to create your own custom press-on nail sets as well. Also, if these colors are not your cup of tea, head over to Valkyrie Dips. There's tons of beautiful colors, and there's definitely something that will catch your eye. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.